Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to import an Airfoil to the SolidWorks. At first we went to a website that's called Airfoil Tools, and you can see here, and I put the URL in the caption. At first you can search every Airfoil that you wanted. For example, Airfoil 387. I search for it, and here you can see the results in this page. For example, I selected the first one, and here you can see the Airfoil, and here we have some details about it. Okay, we are going to download the Airfoil coordinates. Here it wrote it that send to Airfoil plotter. We click on it, and after that CSV file of coordinates, and here you can change the chord length. For example, I choose 600 millimeter. After that we download it. It is an Excel file, and you can see it here. When we open this file, we see its details, the radius, the thickness, the chord line, and the name of the Airfoil. And after that we can see the Airfoil coordinates. Okay, we have the X and Y values, but we need Z values too. Why? Because we have to have an two-dimensional Airfoil. Okay, here I will copy them. After that, they are X, they are Y, and I add the Z value, and I put them to 0. You can see here. Right. After that, we have to make a note file. I rename it to 300 and Airfoil 387 Airfoil. Okay, we have to the copy of X, Y, and Z coordinates to the node file. Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and here we will have the coordinates. I will save it. And now we have to go to the SolidWorks. I will open a new document. Ctrl N. OK. Pause. Okay. Now we are in a new part in SolidWorks. So we went to the. So we go to the. Here the main menu of the software, and we can see the insert button. We click on it, curve, and curve through XYZ points. Here we have to select the note files that we have created. Browse desktop, we change here to the text files, select it and open. Now you see our Airfoil is here, and you can see the coordinates. Okay, here we have our Airfoil that we wanted. Thanks for watching guys, and I will it was helpful. Bye bye.